Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel KTM Booster. Today we will be having the discussion on time and work topic part 9. In part 9 we will be discussing concept of negative work. Okay, so what is the concept of negative work? Suppose one is going to destroy in 9 days and another one is going to what we can say make in what we can say that is 8 days, etc. Now in how many days the work will complete, that we have to calculate. Okay, so now we'll see first question, that is A can build a wall in 8 days and B in 12 days. Okay, and C destroy. Here building and B is want to build a wall, right? But C wants to destroy it in 24 days. So we'll write over here that A, B and C. Okay, A can build a wall in 8 days, B will build a wall in 12 days and C destroy it in 24 days. Isn't it? Means C is going to destroy the wall. So we will take the total work, that is total work over here, that is LCM of 8, 12 and 24, that is 48. Isn't it? 8 6 are 48, 12 4s are 48 and 24 2s are 48. This will be what? The negative work. This will be the inefficiency and this will be what? The number of days. Isn't it? Now, if they start at the same time, in how many days the work will complete? Okay, so in one day we will consider, that is in one day how many work will be completed, that is 6 plus 4 minus 2 equal to 10 minus 2 equal to what? 8 work will complete in one day. So what is total work? That is 48. So 48 divided by 8, that is 6 days. So what will be our answer? That is 6 days. Now I will tell you the bookish method, right? A can build a wall in 8 days, means what? 1 by 8, right? That is one day work. B's one day work is 1 by 12 and C's one day work is what? 1 by 24, right? Now we will take the LCM, that is 24, 8 3s are 12 2s are minus 24 1. That is 3 plus 2, 5 minus 1, that is 4 divided by 24, that is 1 by 6. Isn't it? If one day work is 1 by 6, then total work complete in how many days? In 6 days. Okay, so both the answers will be same, but the method will be different. You can choose which one is easy to you. Question 2. A tortoise climbed up to 5 meters in first hour. So we'll write in first hour it climbs 5 meters, and in next hour, in second hour, okay, it climbs down to 4 meters. This will be down and this will be what? Up. Okay, now so what is the result? So in 2 hours it will climb 1 meter up, isn't it? So what is the destination? 15 meter. So in 2 hours how many meter? 1 meter. So let us consider that for 10 meter, because in 1 hour he is going to climb 5 meter. So we will calculate the time required for 10 meter. Okay, so we will write here that multiplied by 10. So this will be 10 meter. So here time is to be multiplied, that is 10 into 2, that will be what? 20 hours. Isn't it? Now, so in 20 hours he will reach 10 meter, but what is the destination? That is 15 meter. So In next hour, that is in 21st hour, he will climb 5 meter. So total 10 plus 5 equal to 15 meters. Okay, so what will be our answer? That is 20 hour plus 1 hour, that is 21 hours will be our answer. Now question number 3. A snail can climb up 5 centimeter in first hour. So we'll write in first hour he will climb 5 centimeter what up. Now in second hour, in next hour or in second hour, he will climb 3 centimeter down. 3 centimeter what down, isn't it? Now he has to climb how many centimeter? 95 centimeter. We have to calculate the time. So in first hour 5 centimeter up, in second hour 3 centimeter down. So in 2 hours he will climb, that is 5 minus 3, that will be 2 centimeter, that will be up. Okay, so in 2 hours he will climb 2 centimeter. Okay, keep in mind that is 5 centimeter up in 1 hour, 5 centimeter up. Okay, now we will calculate that 95 minus 5, that will be 90. So we will calculate for 90 centimeter first. So it will be 90 when it will be multiplied with 5. So we have to multiply this by using 45. Okay, so 45 into 2, that will be 90 hours, isn't it? Therefore in next hour, that is 90 plus he will climb 5, so it will become, that is 95 centimeter. And time, first is what? 90 hour plus second is what? 1 hour. So time will be 91 hours. So the time required for the snail to climb 95 centimeter will be 91 hours. If you like this video, please subscribe and share our YouTube channel. Thank you.